Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Microsoft account login issues. Security verification fix step by step clearly. First, confirm that the email address or phone number you are entering is the correct Microsoft account you actually use. Check that caps lock is off and retype your password slowly to avoid hidden typing mistakes. If you see a security code request, choose the verification method you can access right now, like email or SMS. Open your email inbox or Messages app and refresh it to make sure the latest security code arrives. Wait at least 2 minutes before requesting a new code, because multiple requests can delay delivery. If the code does not arrive, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders in your email. Make sure your phone has signal and can receive SMS, or switch to a different network if needed. If you changed your number or lost access, click I don't have any of these, or try another way on the verification screen. Go to Account, Live, Com, and select Sign In, then choose Forgot Password if you cannot pass verification. Complete the identity checks and create a new strong password when prompted. On your device, set the date and time to automatic, because incorrect time can break verification. Restart your phone or PC to clear temporary authentication glitches. Try signing in using a private or incognito browser window to avoid cache session conflicts. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Microsoft sites, then close and reopen the browser. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers temporarily, because they can block verification pages. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off and try again, because Microsoft may flag unusual locations. Test a different browser like Edge or Chrome to rule out browser-specific issues. If you are on a work or school network, switch to mobile data or a home network to avoid firewall blocks. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app if you use it, and approve the sign-in prompt or use the one-time code. If Authenticator is not working, ensure notifications are enabled and the app is updated from the App Store. If you recently enabled two-step verification, verify that your backup methods are set and reachable. Check your account security info at Account, Microsoft.com, and confirm your recovery email and phone are correct. Add a new recovery method now if you still have access, so you do not get locked out later. If you are repeatedly asked to verify, remove old trusted devices you no longer use from the Devices page. Run Windows Update or update your phone OS, because outdated systems can cause sign-in failures. If the issue is only in a specific app like Outlook or Xbox, sign out of the app, then sign back in with the updated credentials. If you suspect suspicious activity, go to Recent Activity in your Microsoft account and secure your account immediately. If none of these steps work, use the Microsoft Account Recovery form and provide as much accurate information as possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.